is the name of this coin? This is a nickel. What is the worth of a nickel? A nickel is worth 5 cents. What is the shape of the coin? The coin is round in shape. In how many ways can we write it? We can write it as 5 cents or 5 cents. What is the color of a nickel? The color of a nickel is silver. What is on the front of the nickel? President Thomas Jefferson is on the front of the nickel. What is on the back of the nickel? President Thomas Jefferson's house, Monticello, is on the back of the nickel. Where is the value of the coin printed? It is printed on the back of the nickel. Is the edge of the nickel smooth or ridged? The edge of the nickel is smooth.